Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious cheesy Korean corn dogs. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by proofing our yeast. So to 3/4 of a cup of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour. Along with that, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Now just mix it to dissolve and just allow it to sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so once our yeast has bubbled, now we can get ready to make our dough batter. To make my dough batter, I'm going to be using a storage container with lid. To that, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of potato starch, or you can just replace it with another cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just going to mix it together. And after that, add the yeast mixture. Add 1 egg and just mix it together. And to that, we're also going to be adding 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of warm water. And you want this to be the same consistency as your pancake batter. So if it needs more water, go ahead and add it, but make sure that you do it slowly. Okay, and just make sure to mix it well together so like that you don't have any dry spots. And this is what your batter should look like. Okay, so once we have that, now we're just going to cover it, place it in a warm spot, and allow it to rise for about 1 hour. Alright, so while we wait for our batter to rise, we're going to prepare our potatoes. Here, I already have mine cut into small little squares. Now we're just going to take it to the stove. Okay, now to our saucepan, we're going to add our potatoes, season them with salt. I'm just going to cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. Alright, so once our potatoes have come to a boil, they should have softened. Of course, make sure that you check them. Now we're just going to drain the water, pat them dry, and allow them to cool. Alright, so once our potatoes have cooled down, we're just going to coat them with some potato starch. And this is just going to help our potatoes be nice and crispy when we fry them. Okay, so once we have them, now we're just going to set them to the side until it's time to make our corn dogs. Alright, so after the hour, our batter is ready. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, at this point, you want to make sure that your oil is nice and hot. And now we're just going to grab our cheese stick, insert the stick, going to dip it into the batter. And you want to make sure that the cheese gets completely coated with the batter, so like that, it doesn't ooze when you're frying. Okay, now we're just going to transfer it to the potatoes. Allow the potatoes to stick. Okay, and then transfer it to panko. Okay, now we just fry it until nice and golden. So that should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and just like that, we have our Korean corn dog. We just remove it from the oil, drain as much oil as possible, and continue repeating the process to the rest of our corn dogs. Alright guys, and if you want to make them with just hot Cheetos, you simply just dip them into the panko. Don't add the potatoes. And once done frying, you're just going to brush nacho cheese. Now just dip it into the crushed hot Cheetos. Press it down so like that it sticks. Alrighty guys, and once we have our corn dogs, now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These are seriously super easy to make. It's so fun, especially you're for your kids. They're going to seriously enjoy them. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And of course you could top it with some ketchup and mustard or sugar. But these right here are so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious cheesy Korean corn dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.